Good morning, student. Today we're gonna take a strategy and we're gonna know how to add two-digit numbers. So, for example, if I have 34 plus 18. Now we are mastering and we know how to do the place value chart. So if I have a place value chart, I know in this place value chart there is the ones, there is the tens, and there is the hundreds. So if I have, for example, 34 plus 18, this example, so I know 34, I can say the 4 under the units and 3 tens. And for the 18, I have 8 under the ones and I have 1 tens. So that means what? That means if I take only the tens and add it together, it will give me 30, 3 tens plus 1 tens, which is 10, equal 40. And if I take the ones, I have 4 and 8. So I can say 4 plus the 8, which is 12. Now, since this is ones, I have 12. Why I don't bring 1 10 to the 40? So it's gonna be, instead of 40, it's gonna be 50. And in the ones, so this is a tens, in the ones, we will see there is 2 left. So 50 plus 2 equal 52. So you see here right away, I can add with this way using the place value chart that the 4 and the 8, they give me 12, but this 12, it's under the ones. The ones, the maximum number in the ones is 9, but 12 is too much, so I can give the 10 to the 40, and after that the 40 will be 50, and after that the 2 will be under the ones. So let's see another example, how, let's say, we can add, for example, 53 plus, let's say, 29. So again, I can use a place value chart, and here I don't have 100, so I can get only the 2 columns, one for the ones and one for the tens. So the first number, the 53, it's 3 ones and 5 tens. And the 29 means 9 ones and 2 tens. So if I start, let's say, with the ones, so if I can write here the ones, I have 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9. This is 12. In the 12, I can separate them as 10 and 2. So I can give this 10 to the 5 10 here and the 2 10 here. So under tens, I'm gonna find 50 plus 20 plus 110, which means 30 and 50, 80. And don't forget I have 2. So 80 plus 2, in this case I'm not gonna write it under, I don't prefer to write it under the tens, so I'm going to say add the total. I will have 80 plus the 2, that means 82. And this is going to be the total of everything I have. So we can use the place value chart and we can talk about how many tens I have, how many ones I have, and I add it. But some students, they like to do the normal addition, which is 53 plus 29. And don't forget here, it's better to write it with a nice way, 29 under, each one under the other one, 29 like that, so I don't mix the ones with the tens. So 9 plus 3 equal 12, 2, I will give the 110, and this is the 110 that we mentioned it here. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. I will get the same answer as I got it from here. I hope you understood the lesson. Let's practice some examples. Thank you.